Today, we're diving into an exciting preview of the much-anticipated GoPro Hero 13. With recent leaks shedding light on its potential features, we're eager to explore what the latest GoPro model might bring to the table. The Hero 12 set a high standard, and the Hero 13 is expected to build on that foundation with innovative updates and new functionalities. Let's explore what makes the Hero 13 a game-changer in the action camera arena. The GoPro Hero 13 promises to evolve from its predecessor, the Hero 12, with several notable design improvements. Although it retains a similar overall look, several key upgrades are set to enhance its performance. One significant change is the introduction of a textured ribbed surface on the front of the camera. This new design feature isn't just for aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in improving heat dissipation. For those pushing the limits with extended recording sessions or shooting in high-temperature environments, this enhancement could prove invaluable. Rumors suggest that the GoPro Hero 13 might feature an upgraded sensor capable of 8K video recording, marking a substantial leap from the Hero 12's 5.3K resolution. This upgrade could be a breakthrough for videographers and content creators seeking the highest possible quality. While this potential feature is still under wraps, its inclusion would set a new benchmark for action cameras. The new compact GoPro Hero model is designed for those who value portability without sacrificing functionality. Unlike the Hero 11 Mini, this model includes a full-back display for easy framing and setting adjustments directly from the camera. It also features the same ribbed surface for improved heat management and a relocated menu button for easier access. The absence of mounting fingers on the back gives it a sleek, streamlined look. Despite its smaller size, the compact GoPro Hero is packed with robust features, including HyperSmooth stabilization technology. This ensures that your footage remains steady and smooth, even in the most challenging conditions. As for the release date, the leaked information suggests that both the GoPro Hero 13 and the new compact GoPro Hero will hit the market starting September 16, 2024. This tidbit was reportedly found on an Amazon product page, which has sparked some debate about its accuracy. Some speculate that the leak may be a strategic move to generate excitement and discourage purchases of older models, while others remain skeptical of its authenticity. That wraps up our preview of the GoPro Hero 13 and the new compact GoPro Hero. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and in-depth reviews on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.